Hello there. Now I will present you the section of weekly. We can find that section here on the menu, weekly, okay? We click here, and here what we get, it's a table and the several charts that we will see afterwards of data of our company. I will start by the top here on search. Okay, we have here a table with all the workers of my company, and here if I want to filter a certain worker, I just have to type the name and I will get the table filter to find that worker more easily. Then we can get the view of a week, okay, Monday, Tuesday, and here I have the different weeks. I can go to the previous week. This is the week 47th of the year, the week 46, and 47, right? If we click on the arrows, we go to the next or to the previous. I can get the monthly view, okay, and I can, and then also the yearly. In the monthly, I get the days of the month, the first, the second, the third of the. If it's the 11th, then of course it's the month of November, and then the year. And the year we get the data organized by months. It's accumulated by months, okay. Next, we will go here, and we have 4 different ways of watching the data. I will leave it on the weekly. We have table, we have columns, okay, and we get the data by the days of the week, and in a columns chart, okay. And then we have a pie chart with the totals of the whole week. If I click here, I get the totals of the whole month. And finally, a bar chart of the totals ordered from more to less, so I can see who was more productive or who worked more hours. If we continue down, we get the desktop time. We click here, and this is a button with a select option where we can load which parameter we want to view on this section. Now we are watching desktop time, which is the time worked on the computer, but I can watch, for example, the keyword activity, or I can watch the time in calls, okay, and the data will be automatically changed with the selection that we have done. I can view also here, if I click on totals, I can filter by projects. If I don't want to see all the data, I can filter by a certain project or client or task, okay. And finally, we have these 2 buttons, this one on the left and this one on the right. The one on the left, it's to change the view from workers to projects. So if I click here, instead of viewing the workers, I will see the data filtered by projects, okay. And you see I have only 2 projects, and this is where the time has been invested. And finally, on this button on the left, we can download the data on CSV, or we can change how to display this chart. If I want to view this, if I want to hide or show the filter above, if I want to show or hide this from the range of the time range, here you can configure it, okay. And that's it, basically. That's the section of weekly.